While I'm able to give you my Elliott Wave analysis of Ethereum here for free, that's going to be changing in a few weeks. We're going to be providing regular in-depth Elliott Wave and technical analysis of Ethereum as a subscription at Pure Elliott Wave. When we begin that, we will offer a once-only grandfather rate for the first 24 hours. So click on the link below to sign up to our notification list. We'll give you advance warning of when we're ready to launch Ethereum, and you'll be notified on the day also. For the YouTube channel, this means that when Elliott Wave analysis of Ethereum goes, we'll expand our regular free videos to include Elliott Wave and technical analysis of Solana, so you're not missing out. We will keep looking after you. Good morning everybody, this is Lara with a quick morning update for you for Bitcoin, Ethereum and XRP. They're all having a little pullback, so let's look where we should expect to find support. For Bitcoin, if it gets down that low, look out for support at 63.70. So it's had some consolidation in a resistance zone about 71,500. It's just breaking through support at 68,400, so that's indicating we're going to get a sharper pullback before price is ready to resume the larger upward trend. Remember, the bigger picture for Bitcoin is still an upward trend, and it's been in an upward trend for the long term since its inception at the weekly time frame for over a year. Price is falling so far of its own weight. Let's look at how last session ended with a bullish long lower wick. A little bit of a push from volume, but overall, as price consolidates and has a pullback, overall volume is declining, and yesterday's downward session did have weaker than average volume. For the previous upward bullish run, ADX reached very extreme. This pullback and consolidation has pulled ADX right down into neutral. It's getting down toward a low level now, setting itself up for a strong signal. RSI has been pulled out from deeply overbought, exhibited double bearish divergence. It's now neutral, so this is a normal, healthy pullback within a healthy bullish run. Money flow is neutral, getting very close to 50. The pullback might be able to bring it below 50. That would actually be very healthy for the bullish run. ATR overall showing some decline. Yesterday, a little bit of an uptick, so a little tiny bit of strength in this pullback. Expect it's likely to continue a little bit lower. But remember, the bigger picture, this is most likely a pullback within a larger upward trend. Short-term main Elliott Wave count for Ethereum. I'm going to now get some labels into Minuet Wave 5, Minute Wave 3 subdividing perfectly as an almost textbook looking impulse with 1, 2, 3, 4 and now 5 very likely to extend. Fifth waves of third wave impulses 1 degree higher for cryptocurrencies are almost always extended, and so I'm expecting Minuet 5 to be 2.618, the length of Minuet 3 at 8130, which is pretty close to where Minute 3 would reach 6.854, the length of Minute 1 at 8134, a target zone quite narrow, $4 calculated at 2 degrees. Price does not move in a straight line though. Expect consolidations and pullbacks along the way. If this is a sub-Minuet degree second wave correction, it may not move beyond the start of the first wave, below 3057.97, but if Minute 4 were to continue sideways, and it could continue as a triangle or a flat or a combination, it may not move into wave 1 price territory below 2717.20. Very quickly, technicals at the daily time frame for Ethereum, it broke below resistance at 3450. Support at 3450, support turns again to resistance. Look for next support very strong at 3050 if it gets down that low. Yesterday's downward session for Ethereum also for the short term had a push from volume, but overall volume is declining as price consolidates and has this pullback. Normal behavior for a healthy bullish market. There's a little range for on-balance volume from Ethereum. We'll look for a breakout of this range. ADX continues to decline after reaching very extreme for the previous upward bullish run. This is normal consolidation within a healthy bullish market. RSI is in neutral territory, as is money flow. Normal healthy behavior in a larger bullish market. The main Elliott Wave count for XRP sees this as a small pullback within a third wave, within the start of a third wave, with 1 complete here potentially and 2 an expanded flat. A, B, C needs to complete as a 5-wave motive structure. 2 may not move beyond the start of 1 below 0.5689. The alternate considers that it could move a little bit lower than that, but the alternate now has a problem. The triangle for Minuet B, you'd have to label it complete here. E is just way too brief. That is really forced. That's not how an E wave of an Elliott Wave triangle should complete. Now this could be a continuation of D. We could see a zigzag up for E and then a breakout for a short sharp downward movement. Very quickly, technicals for XRP. This potential pennant pattern may have had a downward breakout, though I'm a bit concerned about bullish long lower wicks in the last two candlesticks, although the current candlestick for 2nd of April, it's still 4:34 a.m. in New York time, so I shouldn't really try and draw a conclusion about that. A target from the pennant pattern is 0.4437. I think that's woefully far too low. I think there's pretty strong technical support in the 54-55 cent area, and if it gets down that low again, I would expect it to stop there. Again, XRP had a downward session yesterday with some increase in volume, although overall volume is declining as prices in a pullback and consolidation. ADX is now declining, the DX line's about to whipsaw again, no clear trend now again for XRP. RSI is neutral, as is money flow. This looks like a normal, healthy consolidation within the very earliest stages of a bull market for XRP. That's it for me today with a quick update for you. I'm back on the road. I'm moving down toward the lower half of Scotland and then back into England next week.